Italy, a place I visited many times before in my life. Never been to Venice and the other places we went to though. It was fun to see a different side of this country and definitely worth visiting again. After the flight from Greece back home to the Netherlands, it was time to go. No rest, grab my stuff and get into the car to go to Italy with my bros. Makker! Maatje! So today we are going to Venice! Whoop! And I'm going with these two guys, my best friends. Woohoo! Because yesterday we arrived here in near Venice in Italy, and today we are going there, and I can't be more excited to share this experience with my two best friends. Youpie! This is what I see when I think of Italy. Mountains and water. So you can imagine how surprised I was when we arrived in Venice. It was completely different from what I was used to. First of all, really flat. We went to Venice by a train at a train station nearby. Second of all, the city is really unique with its beautiful architecture. Actually, it's unlike any place I've ever been to before. With its different canals, and at every turn you make there is something unexpected to be seen. After walking around for a bit, we decided to visit some of the churches. The churches were super impressive. We saw the Basilica di Santa Maria and more. After we had seen the churches, we decided to go to a different place nearby. But I'm sure Wilco can give us some great insights on that. So where are we heading?
We are heading to I don't remember the
Murano.
Murano. Heading to Murano, the island just outside of Venice. So we are having a couple of stops in between, and then we will be arriving there.
As you can see on the map, Murano is an island north of Venice. I think it could be called Glass Island, since everything is made out of glass. After visiting Murano, we took a train back and went to our stay. The next day we would chill at Lake Garda and go to Verona, which we met up with Gemma, a girl who I met while traveling to Greece. Lake Garda was really nice. We took a quick swim there, and according to our guide Gemma, it has the cleanest water in all of Italy. Maybe that is one of the reasons why all the Dutch people go on their vacation there. Verona is a pretty well-known place, although I'd never heard of it before. It is known for its beautiful churches, views, and for the city where Romeo and Juliet took place. We visited Complesso del Duomo, and of course we couldn't leave the city without taking a peek at Romeo and Juliet's balcony, as well as taking a look at the Colosseum. So today we are in Padova and we are going to check out this city. We've met with Gemma and she told us to go here, so we'll see how the city is. She gave us some places to go to and we will show you in a bit. The last day we visited Padova, which is the student city of Italy. Because of the summer vacation, many students left and the city felt kind of deserted. We wanted to take a look at the church, but for some reason it was closed. We did visit all different kind of piazzas and found a super interesting clock. The clock is built in 1344 and shows the zodiac signs. It's named Dondi del Orologio. And with that, our vacation came to an end. Yo, what is up guys? I hope you guys had fun watching that video of Italy. And next week I'm going to show you guys my video of Luxembourg, so definitely check out that video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and give the video a like because it helps out the channel greatly, and I hope to see you guys next week.